Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to the English class. In continuation with chapter 1, A Day in the Ashram, we are going to proceed with two more exercises. The usage of some and others and homophones. Let's go through the slides to know more about it. Thank you.
Vocabulary. This is the exercise from the chapter A Day in the Ashram. Observe the use of nearer and nearer in the following example. You can hear the voices in the distance drawing nearer and nearer. What is there in the bracket? Near. The words nearer and nearer in this sentence gives a stronger effect in the sentence. It clearly becomes a word picture. Let's do a few more examples. Fill in the blanks. As a train approaches a station, the sound of its whistle becomes dash and dash. Here it should be louder and louder. If you practice dash and dash, you will feel dash and dash confident. In the bracket you have the word much. Man has been constructing dash and dash buildings in the cities. As you move away from a tree, it looks dash and dash. When you blow air into the balloon, it becomes dash and dash. And what is there in the bracket? Big. These are the answers to the questions in the previous slide. It is there in your textbook, page number 6, sixth main. As a train approaches the station, the sound of its whistle becomes louder and louder. If you practice harder and harder, you will feel more and more confident. Man has been constructing taller and taller buildings in the cities. As you move away from a tree, it looks smaller and smaller. This is called perspective. When you blow air into a balloon, it becomes bigger and bigger. We shall move on to the next exercise, use of some and others. A few boys opted for first language Kannada and others opted for first language Sanskrit in my class. It's all about choices, right? Some of the girls love to dance and others love to sing classical songs. Fill in the blanks using some and others. The example sentence is, some prefer carpentry, others prefer mechanical work. You can see shining objects in the sky at night. Dash of them are planets, dash are stars. There are many fruits in the basket. Dash of them are mangoes, dash are bananas. After the bell, dash boys went out to play, dash went home. There are a few books on the table. Dash of them are textbooks, dash are not. Dash of the apples in the basket are good, dash are bad. These are the answers for the questions in the previous slide. Use of some and other. Some prefer carpentry, others prefer mechanical work. You can see shining objects in the sky at night. Some of them are planets, others are stars. There are many fruits in the basket. Some of them are mangoes, others are bananas. After the bell, some boys went out to play, others went home. There are a few books on the table. Some of them are textbooks, others are not. Some of the apples in the basket are good, others are bad. Fill in the blanks with the right homophones. Homophone. Phone, that means it is pronounced the same way. Spelling is different, meaning is different. Last week, W-E-E-K, W-E-A-K. I went to a shop to dash a pair of trousers. I bought one and returned home. When I tried to wear, W-E-A-R-W-A-R-E, wear it, I found that it was rather dash, L-O-S-C-L-O-S-E. So I went to the shop in fury, but the shopkeeper was out. So I had to wait, W-A-I-T, W-E-I-G-H-T. When he returned, I shouted at him, "See how big it is. It fits an elephant." He replied coolly, looking at my pot belly, "Therefore we offered it to you, sir." These are the answers to question V3, page number 6. The previous slide. Last week, week and week. This week is the week that you have, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. W-E-A-K is the opposite of strong. W-E-A-K, weak. I feel very weak after the fever. I went to a shop to buy. Bought is a past tense. Buy is a present tense. To buy a pair of trousers. I bought one and returned home. When I tried to wear, W-E-A-R-E, W-E-A-R, not W-A-R-E. Wear it, I found that it was rather loose. So I went to the shop in fury, but the shopkeeper was out. So I had to wait. This wait is the number of kgs that you weigh. Waiting. When he returned, I shouted at him, "See how big it is. It fits an elephant." He replied coolly, looking at my pot belly, "Therefore we offered it to you, sir." In this lesson, we have learned the use of some and others in the same lesson, and homophones, the words that are pronounced the same way, but it means different, and even the spelling is different. Today's assignment, write page number 6 vocabulary, 6th main, V1, V2 and V3 in classwork. Complete your classwork. Thank you and have a nice day.